In this video, we are going to see factorization of polynomials. First, we will see what is factorization. See the example, 15 equal to 3 into 5. So here 3 and 5 are the factors. Next example, x cube equal to x into x into x. Here we have 3 factors. Next one, 3x to the power 4. 3 into x into x into x into x. 4 times x. Y x to the power 4. Here we have 5 factors. Factorization means splitting the given term into small factors. Another important thing, when we multiply all the factors, we should get the original term, original number, or you can say in the case of polynomials, original polynomial. There are many methods to factorize. First method is common factors. Some factor will be common in all the terms. First we will factorize a number 210. Now 210 is divisible by 2. Here when you are dividing, be careful, 1 2s are 2. 1 we cannot divide, we have to put up a 0. So here the result will be 105. Now 105 is not divisible by 2. Check for 3. How to check for 3? Add all the digits. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 105 is divisible by 3. So the result is 35. Now 35 is not divisible by 2, not by 3. 35 is divisible by 5. 7. 7 is divisible by 7 only. So at last you should get 1. Up to you get 1, go on factorize. Now we will write all the factors. 210 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 4 factors we have got. If you multiply all the 4 factors, you will get 210. That is the important point. Now we will go for a polynomial. Here we will split 2x square, or we will break it, and similarly 5x also. See how we are breaking. 2 into x plus 5 into x. Now in both the terms, what we can see as common, x is common. We will take it first as the first factor. As the second factor, we will take the remaining things. 2x plus 5 is the remaining term. Again you see inside the second bracket, if you have got any common factor. In 2x plus 5 nothing is common. So this is the answer. Example 3, factorize 5x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 11x square. We will split each term, or we will break each term. 5 into x into x into x into x. Similarly 7x cube also, minus 11x square also. Now we will search common for in all the three terms. First one x, again one x. So two factors we got. Let us write bracket x, bracket x. Two factors outside, remaining inside. Now we will multiply outside x square, inside the bracket, second bracket, 5x square plus 7x minus 11. Again you see inside the second bracket, can we take anything common? No. Thoroughly you have to check for common factor. So this is the answer. Two factors we got. 5x square minus 15. We will break it up. Here we break 15 as 3 into 5. Now can you see 5 common? That is the first factor, 5. Remaining is x square minus 3. We don't see any common factor, so that is the answer. Now example 5. 2x cube plus 6x square minus 10x. So we will break each term. So we have broken. Now first we can see 2 common, and again we search x is common. So we will take both the factors outside. Bracket 2, bracket x, and the remaining. Now we will multiply 2x first factor, in the second bracket x square plus 3x minus 5. Again in the second factor you search for any common, no common. So we will go to the next example. It is looking like a hard question. 3x square yz plus 9x square x y square z plus 15xy z square. As usual we break up. For your clarification, each one is given in a different color. First we search the numbers. Clearly 3 is common, and 1x is common, 1y is common, 1z is also common. The remaining factors we write. See how x is common. First term x square. In second term we have got only 1x. In third term also we have got only 1x. So only 1x is common. Similarly y and z. Now we will multiply. Here you can leave it as this answer. And if you are multiplying, it is well and good. 3xyz first factor. X plus 3y plus 5z second factor. Now nothing is common. Next one, 5m square n cube minus 8m cube n to the power 5 plus m square n square. Here we are not going to break. Directly by seeing we are going to take the common. See the first term. See the numbers 5, 8. So no number is common. Now see m square, m cube, m square. So m square is common, clear. In all the terms, m square is common. Now see n cube, n to the power 5, n square. Here is also n square is common. So we take m square, n square common. We write the remaining. Again we see inside the second bracket, nothing is common. Common should be in all the three terms. And note the second factor, 1. How this 1 came? See the question, m square, n square. We have taken them all outside as a factor. So 1 is left, not 0. Remember that 1 is left. So when you multiply, you will get the correct term. Now next, 4a square b cube minus 6abc plus 5b. Here also we are going to do it directly. 4, 6, 5 numbers, nothing is common. A square, a, in that time a is not there, so a is not common. See, b cube, b, b, r. Clearly one b is common. Then we see, for the c, in first term there is no c, in third term also. So only b is common. So the first factor is b. Write the remaining. Again you see in the second bracket, nothing is common. So what we got is the answer. Factorize 10ab plus 20mn plus 30xy. Here also we are going to do it directly. Already we have seen 7 or 8 questions, so directly you can pick up the common. 10, 20, 30. Clearly 10 is common. Then we see any other factors, AB, MN, XY. Nothing common, only 10 is common, take it outside. What is left out? Right. AB plus 2mn. How 2 is coming? 20 we split as 2 into 10, 30 we split as 3 into 10, 10 has gone outside, remaining is left. Revise these sums 3 or 4 times. These types of sums will be coming in higher classes daily. So you should be able to do these type of factorization sums anytime, anywhere. That's all for today.